I'm back in Manila at the RC Tracks. It's the 3rd year anniversary, so the track has survived the past 3 years. And I will talk about TITC in the next video, secrets, tips inside surviving it. But for now, let me just talk about a different kind of RC. From the high level, we are now at the club level, and I joined 2 classes. Super stock, so I use these TITC tires. Works well in our cold cement. And I did a rally with the same chassis, so I just changed tire. Was supposed to use Tamiya rally blocks as the rule, but then after 3 minutes, my 20-year-old tires just, gave away. It's gone. Let me walk and talk. Well, we have a few drifting, TT01, TT02. This one I like, the shaft drive. I think that's the HPI E10. Very clean, good flex. I don't have one, but probably better than the TT01. I might buy one. It looks like it has potential, but nah, shaft drive. I better get over it. So we have a rally class today. We have the drifting diorama. We have mini and chassis. We have touring GT. What else? Those are the 4 classes we have. It's a small track. They finished the new layout with more friendly barriers. It's very tight, so it's kinda, the driving is drift and grip style. You have to throw the car around. It's a nice turnout. Not too many people, just enough to fill the pit areas. 3 years went by. Surprised. Here's my lunch. Of course, I use gold. Still good. I'm using a Car10. It's rarely used, so I decided to play with it here. It's good. With a old school Celica body. And then I think the next week will be the annual Meralco Foundation Day rally event. So this will actually run on a proper rally surface. Yeah, we're in the mall. So total opposite to Thailand, where it was a big outdoor hot environment. Here it's a cool indoor small track, but lots of fun. It's normally free to play here. Only when race day we have to pay a little, but all good. I'm using Redline batteries of my daughter Porsche, so thank you Redline for supporting her in TITC. Shout out to them. Well, it's kinda hard coming from a very high level event. Porsche and I spent 24 days in Thailand, almost every day at the RC Addict track, and then now